Surge all power units R2. Stand by. Reverse thrusters. We got him, R2.
Flying is for droids. I'm hit! Anakin?
I see them.
Buzz droids.
R4, be careful, you haven't... Oh dear. They're shutting down all the controls.
Move to the right so I can get a clear shot at them.
The mission.
Get to the command ship, get the Chancellor.
I'm running out of tricks here.
In the name of... Hold your fire, you're not helping here.
I agree. Bad idea.
Can't see a thing.
My cockpit's fogging.
They're all over me.
Anakin.
Move to the right.
Hold on, Anakin. You're gonna get us both killed. Get out of here. There's nothing more you can do.
I'm not leaving without you, Master. Get him, R2. Watch out.
R2, hit the bus droid, center eye.
Yeah, you got him.
Great, R2.
The General's command ship is dead ahead.
Well, have you noticed the shields are still up?
Sorry, Master.
Oh, I have a bad feeling about this.